Alright, welcome back everyone. So you guys saw the application of the base coat that I did for the Drexler two-part coating. So I let it sit overnight because it was kind of late here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the top coat right now. Kind of show you guys how that applies. Here's the applicator. I left it on there. It's stiffened up, so this has a pretty good amount of SiO2 in here. Kind of retain its shape. I won't be using this applicator anymore. I mean, these suedes, they're just too short. So if you use one of the CarPro suedes, it'll work better with this. I'm going to switch over to the auto fiber applicator. Those are just better applicators. So I got the top coat over by the car, so I'm going to walk over there and then we'll take a look at the application, the way I'm going to apply it. So let me walk over there. Get this bucket of towels out of the way. Okay, so this is a spray-on product, and I think it's leaking here. It sure is. So I got a leaky bottle, which is not a good sign. You can feel it all over my glove. So let me get left on this towel here. But I'm going to apply it with this foam applicator. So this top, there's something wrong with the top here. It's leaking out here on the side. So that's another thing I just saw. So on their video they recommend just to spray it on the surface. And they go pretty much a lot. I'll spray one on the applicator. I just sprayed it on there. You can't really see it. You get it before it drips out of here. Kind of hard to see. So let me just work this in. I'll just work a larger area because I got plenty of product in here. And again, we do a crosshatch pattern. And I'm gonna put the spoiler back on. I cleaned this as best as I could. They're just stains from years of build-up here. Okay, so this is basically a wipe on, wipe off product. Put this on here for a second. I'm going to use the included towel that they provided, and we'll just wipe this off. Oops, I don't want this rolling off here. I'm just going to use the included towel and wipe it off. You can use the towel to apply it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just like using those applicators better when it's with the spray sealing. It just gets better coverage. So really that's all there is to it. Just come back and wipe your surface real good, and you're done. So that's going to add another layer of protection. One thing I will say is once the base coating has sat, so when you remove it, it feels slick on the surface. After a while, it's been sitting there for a few hours, it gets tacky. You can so it's got a typical coating tacky sensation for it. It's not as slick as when you first wipe it off. So this did add some slickness. We'll see how it feels after. Yeah, definitely that's all there is to it. So I just want to kind of go over the base coat, the top coat application, and that's pretty straightforward. And you just spray it onto on the video that they have for their installation. They spray a lot of this product on there. They don't give you a lot, and it looks like my bottle's been leaking, so I don't have a lot to begin with. This is supposed to be a 50 ml bottle. That's how much I have in there. 50 ml is supposed to be up here, so this bottle did leak out. I'll have enough to put one coat on here. I just wanted to kind of show it. So again, that's the Drexler top coat. I'll go ahead and finish this one out because I want to put the spoiler back on to this F body, and I'm going to treat that one as well. Alright, so thanks for watching.